Floyd Shivambu appears in court on an assault charge. Let's get the very latest. SABC reporter Abra Barbier joins us now live. Abra, what are you witnessing there this morning? What are you learning with regards to this case?
Good morning, Blaine. Yes, court has just adjourned. We did have to wait a while for the magistrate to come into the chambers, but the matter's basically been postponed. It was an in and out appearance. Mr. Shivambu was here with his representative, with his legal representative. The matter's been postponed to the 28th of January next year. What we've been told is that the defense team, they are still waiting for the video footage as well as stills image. I'm told Mr. Shivambu's coming out loud. Let me see if he'll say something to us. Mr. Shivambu, you're willing to say something to us on camera? Well, clearly he's not willing to say something to us. All the other media are trying to get comment, but he made it very clear inside as well that he wouldn't be speaking to anybody. So the matter's been postponed to the 28th of January next year, while the defense team still waits for evidence such as the video footage and stills images. The incident happened within the parliamentary precinct last year in March, where a photojournalist who was there to cover another story in Parliament was in fact trying to get footage of Mr. Shivambu himself, and that's when the alleged altercation or assault took place. Other journalists were able to capture it with their cameras and cell phones, so there definitely is evidence to show the alleged assault. But as I said, the matter's been postponed to the 28th of January. Mr. Shivambu is out on a warning, and there is currently also a matter pending before Parliament's Ethics Committee, who's also dealing with it. Blaine?
Abra, I know he wasn't interested in talking to the media as we just saw him walk out now, but what was his demeanor? Is he fazed by these charges?
It's very difficult to read Mr. Shivambu's demeanor because he tends to be quite shy and withdrawn when it comes to the media. I actually get the impression that he doesn't like the camera. He tends to pass, I don't want to say pass the buck, but he tends to rather prefer for his other colleagues to speak to the media, even in normal press conferences and briefings. He was in the dock. Nobody enjoys being in the dock. So, yeah, he did seem quite withdrawn, and we tried to speak to him. We tried to get his attention from the moment we got here, but he wouldn't even look at us. Yeah. So, yeah, that should explain to you exactly, what was probably going through his mind at the time.
Right. Any support being shown for him, Abra, in or outside court with regards to some of the supporters of the EFF?
I only saw his one colleague, Mr. Bernard Josephs, who is one of the members of the provincial legislature. He was here to support his Chief Whip, Floyd Shivambu. Other than that, I did not see any other EFF supporters. What I can tell you is when I earlier tweeted about what was happening, there was lots of mixed reaction on social media to his appearance today. When I referred to it as an alleged assault, the response that I got was, why are we saying alleged? There is photographic evidence, there's camera footage, there were witnesses, but of course you say alleged because it's a legal term. And then of course there were many people who, non-supporters, who were saying that he needs to be removed from the EFF as soon as possible. But that was the talk on social media. Blaine?
All right, this matter being postponed to the 28th of January 2020. Abra Barbier, live for us in Cape Town. Thank you. All right, we're going to take a quick break and get you